And we are in front of an Remio van concept from Volkswagen. And if we are looking around, this looks like a trio style camper van with two sleeping pretty wide, 2 meters 120 and 2 meters 132. If we check inside, well, a standard three seating situation with fridge, cooking, and can I go inside? Yes. And we have a standing situation, so not bad. And also it's completely open because you can take the cover and have an amazing view around. And then you can fold this down to get another double bedding. So this will be pretty wide to sleep. Actually, two people here and two people up there. And if we are checking, there is pretty standard two burner with a sink. And under it we have a small fridge, but it's pretty enough space. And then on this side, additional storage space. Oh my god, that's actually a lot. With also, and this is a toilet from this side. Additional space also from this side, and we have a control unit with the light switch on. Getting on the back, oh my god, we have additional storage and, well, all your belongings and slide outs. That's amazing. And also we have an additional part here. But getting on the back, we can check that you have ready to fold down the seats and make an extremely long bed with the actual hot and cold water to take a shower. Pretty nice, trio style. And yes, it has the Loader 80 tires with Delta rims, but looks like a very well equipped van based on the Volkswagen new chassis. Looks amazing.